Okay, so I just wanted to show you here, these old locust trees are one of the hardest ones that I've personally ever had to deal with, because they have this massive root ball under them. This thing was probably 10 inches under the ground there, and it's, I don't know, 15 to 20 foot long, reaches out here, and that's a good 4 inches in diameter. They're huge. There's another big root going down through there. I've been pulling on. But look at all those. They are in the ground to stay. You rarely see one of these get blown over. A lot of trees like a little black oak or something like that you can pop over pretty easy. Cedar trees I can just about always just pull out and pinch them with my thumb and pull them right out, but these are a different story. But that little machine will get it. You just got to be patient and keep working at it. All them rocks under that other side over there holding it, I think.
Well, is that rocks? I hope it's got a slab concrete.
No, it's just, it's limestone slab. Yep. It had some 3 and 4 inch roots that went under it. Yeah.
Well, it's sure wearing off.
Huh?
Messed up her yard.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got it straightened up from the last 3 I dug out down here. Okay, there is the root ball from that monster. Had big old rocks under here that was keeping it from laying over onto that side at first. I finally got them drug out, but locusts just have a huge root ball. But we finally got it. I'm gonna go get a chainsaw and cut it up in sections I can handle with my machine and roll this around a little more and get the dirt off of it so I can handle it and hopefully get her yard cleaned up for her. But it left a pretty good hole. This hole's 5 foot deep. Huge. Had to move a lot of dirt. But would have got done a little quicker with a bigger machine, but that isn't what we have. So we just make do with it. And takes a little longer, but we got more time than money, so we'll get it done that way. Boys, how are you?
Good.
Good. Hey, what's going on? Some dead trees. They died? Yep.
They fall over.
So I've got a lot of this kind of cleaned on up now. I hauled some of it down with the little loader last night with the brush fork, and I had to come back and recut this one. But I'm gonna try to get this stuff on out of here, set over the fence so we can take it on to another pile a little further on down. But here's some of the rocks that we dug out of this, and that's the thing about this area in Missouri. We are loaded with limestone rock, which some people hate them, some people love them. I happen to be one of the people that really like them and save them all. So I've got piles of these things around, and we use them when we can for a number of different things. But they're just kind of neat, and they make good borders and retaining walls and all kinds of stuff. So anyhow, I want to go ahead and try to get this area cleaned on up and graded down a little better. Maybe go get a different tractor with a blade on it. I'm going to use both machines today. This one has the brush forks on it that my brother come up with and made a bracket to fit this loader, and which really is handy, works well. And then we'll grab some of it with a thumb and haul it off. So that's the plan. kind of got busy here and lost track of what I was doing, and I forgot to keep video on this. Got a lot of it cleaned up over there in the pile. The stumps are down here in this pile. I wound up taking some cedar trees that was overtaking the well house door and stuff out. That's what that pile is. So that's going to go on down later. For now, I'm just doing a little more grade work with the rock rake. I put a bucket on the front. I'm going to rake this a little, and I might just let it settle out for a day or two and then rake it again when it dries and settles in. Seems to work a little better that way, and I've got plenty of time. So anyway, not sure what all I'm going to do here yet, but I'm going to work on this a little bit, and I'll bring you along for that. Alrighty, I'm going to wrap this one up. We've kind of raked it around. There's still a lot of rocks and stuff in it. I'm going to let it settle for a day or two and dry out a little bit in a place or two. That's got a lot of trashy stuff in it that's going to have to come out. But I'm gonna wait and hope that we get a little bit of a rain and settle some of this in. And if not, it's also another way of me saying I'm going to wait until I have some grandson help to clean the rest of this up. And anyway, we may get her some trees and plant back in here in front of her house. And she kind of needs it on this side. The sun hits the house from here now. She did have a row of trees all through here that shaded it. It was really nice, and over the last few years we've lost them. Gonna lose those as well, I think. But anyhow, I'm gonna get out of here, and appreciate y'all coming along. We'll catch you on the next one.